everyone, Peter from Outdoors Rome here. Just on my way out to get some problems sorted, as on the way back from the last trip I did encounter a problem. That problem being the motorhome was pulling quite hard to the left hand side. I only noticed when I was going around a corner, and I thought I was going to drive off the road. So when I got back I was a bit concerned, so I booked it into my local dealer, and he went through the van, and I got him to check a few other little things that I wasn't sure about, and he gave it a very clean bill of health. He said it's in excellent condition for its age. The only thing it needed a wheel alignment, and he couldn't do it because he didn't have the capacity or the right size gear or something to do it all. So he recommended that I take it to a truck wheel alignment place. So yeah, we're just on our way to big wheel truck alignment to get the wheel alignment done on the van. Now also in Queensland at the weekend we had the cyclone come through here, and we got some really heavy rain and winds. Get a bit wet. Go on a bit. Did he get his caravan? Not sure. There you go. And we did encounter a small leak in one of the roof lights, which I'll show you here. So the resolution for that is I've got a guy coming next week just to reseal the skylight. But the place where we got the motorhome from was a place called Joe's Caravans in Yamanto near Ipswich, and he's been really good. He's going to cover me for the wheel alignment and getting the skylight resealed. And he's got a great range of caravans there, and if you check out his Google reviews, it's amazing the reviews he's got compared to a lot of caravan places. So I'm not affiliated to him in any way, but got really good service off him, so I'd recommend that you go check him out if you're looking for a caravan, maybe a motorhome, but he doesn't carry too many of them, and you're in the Queensland/Brisbane area. So now we're just on our way. There's still a few trees down on the road, but well, they're mostly cleared. They're on the side of the road now. Lots of leaves and debris around, but as I say, we're mostly clear now. I did get a call from Big Wheel this morning saying that they'd been out of power for 2 days, but it's all back on now, and just confirming that I was going. We were lucky with the power, to be honest, because if you looked on the Energex outage map, we were right in the middle of an area with no power, but we never lost power for the whole time. Whereas everyone else around us, I think they only just got power back on yesterday, so they were without power for several days. Anyway, well, let's get to this place, and we'll catch up in a bit. Here we are, just going into Big Wheel's truck alignment. So there she is, she's all done now. Made a few adjustments, so we'll go and give her a test drive. So yeah, just driven back after getting the wheel alignment done. It's a lot better, doesn't pull really harshly to the left anymore, so pleased with that. They did suggest that I could get a camber kit done as well, but that's like doubling the price. The wheel alignment cost me 451 bucks, and to get a camber kit on it, it'd be $500 was the quote. But I'm happy with that, how it is. It's not pulling to the left really harshly anymore. So yeah, we'll see how we go with that. Okay, so yeah, that's it, folks. We've got the skylight booked in for being resealed next week by Luke from Coast to Coast Caravans, who I've viewed before, and he does a really good job. So that's next Tuesday, and that'll be everything sorted on the van. So hopefully these problems are behind us and we can get out and do some more trips. So until next time, please take the time to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.